Hi guys, Sai is here back with another interesting and most important video, and today in this video I'm gonna talk about how to unbrick OnePlus 9R. So first of all, I want to tell you my story, what happened with me. Actually, recently I installed custom ROM on my OnePlus 9R device, and after installing custom ROM I face a lot of issues like screen stuck issue, or sometimes my device gonna auto reboot. So this type of issues I am facing. Okay, so I changed the custom ROM and I tried different type of custom ROM, but still I am facing this issue. So now I decide to install stock ROM on my OnePlus 9R device. Okay, so talking about this is very useful if you are bricked your device. Maybe you are going to root your device, or maybe you are going to install custom ROM or custom recovery on your OnePlus 9R, and on that situation maybe your device is gonna brick. So this video is very useful for you if your device is OnePlus 9R and you bricked your device, or your device gone in boot loop. So these all issues are covered in this video, so watch this video till then, and if you are new on this channel then don't forget to subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel where I provide important files and updates. So without any wasting of time, let's begin. Okay guys, let's move on the process. So first of all, you need to understand what is the present situation of your device. For example purpose, if your device is in good condition, maybe stuck issue or auto reboot issue schemes, so your first step is you need to turn off your device. Okay, this is the step one. After that we need to hold volume up and volume down keys, then connect the data cable. When we connect our device with PC, when the flash tool is opened and when we run the flash tool, on that time we need to connect your device while holding volume up and volume down keys. This is the actual step. But if your device in boot loop, then what you do? If your device in boot loop, just you need to hold power button. When screen is turned off, at that situation you need to hold volume up and volume down and leave the power key, and at the time simultaneously you need to connect your USB cable. Okay, so after that you are good to go to flash your device. So the super important point is you need to turn off. You must turn off your device first. After that you need to hold volume up and volume down keys and connect your data cable. Okay, if your device is not going to switch off, you need to open your OnePlus back panel and once disconnect your battery, then reconnect your battery, then your device will be turned off, right? Then you need to hold volume up and volume down keys and connect your data cable. So this is the actual first important step. Okay, so after that you need to download this file and extract this file. So you will get flash tool and other important required files. So double click on flash tool, then flash tool will be open after some seconds. Okay, so it will take little bit of seconds to load. After that you need to select other, then click on login. That's it, this flash tool will be open. Okay, after that what is next step? You need to click on start button on flash tool. After that you need to connect your OnePlus 9R with your PC. Okay, so this is very important thing. Okay, I previously tell you now how to connect your device. First of all, most important point is your device must be switched off. After that you need to hold volume up and volume down keys, then you need to connect your USB cable. But before you going to connect your USB cable, first of all you need to click on start button on flash tool. Okay, so after that flashing will be started. As we can see, flashing is running. Okay, so wait until the flashing is complete. So as we can see, the flashing bar is going to full. When the flashing bar is full, that means when a message came in green color that flashed successfully, that means our device flashed successfully. So wait until this process will be done. Okay guys, as we can see, the flashing is done. As we can see on flash tool, it says flashing done. Now what is next step? Now hold power button, disconnect your data cable and hold power button, your device will be turned on. After flashing stock ROM, my device working fine without any issue, no auto reboot issue I am facing. Okay, no screen stuck issue I am facing. These all things are working these all things are fixed, and now my device is perfectly working without any issue. Till I am using this device, no issue is came, but don't know what happened in stock ROM and custom ROM. This type of issue is came. Okay, so don't know what happened with that, but in stock ROM it's working fine. So this is the video. If you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.